don't mind my gum because I am on a water fast right now, and girl, you know, your mouth starts tasting nasty and all that other stuff, and I just need something in my mouth, okay? So here is the unit on the wig stand I showed you in the clip before. I'm super excited to be trying this. I wanted to attempt to do it glueless. I feel like I'm just going to use my XrsBeauty spray. And also I wanted to show you guys what the inside looks like. So it did come with an adjustable band on the inside, and it does have the adjustable straps at the back, and it has four combs, one in the back and 3 at the top. So I'm excited about that. Let me go ahead and adjust these straps. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this is a wet and wavy unit, and this is my first time like having a real wet and wavy one where it even came straight when I received it, and I have the opportunity to curl it up myself. Ooh, I am loving it. So far, this lace is like, girl, like for real, like seriously. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut the lace off. This hair feels so good, you guys. It kind of reminds me of like if I was to straighten my natural hair. So I'm really liking that. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a middle part. I have my hot comb on and waiting on me. So I'm gonna part this down the middle because I want to be able to show you guys that you can rock this hair curly or you can rock it straight. And I'm gonna cut this lace off. So just give me a second. Also, I want to let you guys know that I am absolutely loving the hairline so far. I did not pluck this at all. It came bleached and ready to go. So all I have to do is cut this lace and install, and I like it. Okay, so I thought my hot comb was on. The hot comb was not on. So we're gonna get this time to warm up, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this thing on lace. So definitely it's giving glueless. Love this lace so far, and I'm really happy about how this hair feels overall. So that is making me happy. Gonna go in with some XrsBeauty glue spray and just, you know, spray down a few pieces, because this I don't really have to glue down. So I'm gonna part off this front section like this, and I'm gonna actually spray it behind the hairline. I don't need all of that though. So this part is all glued down, and I redid my part. It's like I can never get my part. I think with the way my head shaped, it's like, girl, you don't have a middle. It's always to one side, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'm gonna worry about it at the end, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut. I want a lot of baby hairs because this is such a natural looking unit. I really like it. So I'm just going to cut these very tiny. some mousse and lay it on here. And it's crazy, y'all. I don't have on no contacts. You don't see any glasses, so I can barely see. And this mirror is like dirty as shit right now. So this is almost like doing this blind. Like seriously. Alright guys, so I just ran a little flat iron over this hair just to show you what it looks like straight. And I absolutely love this bob. It's a 12-inch bob. But now we are going to get into it curly, and I'm just going to curl, well, wet one side. I used to love wet and wavy hair that I did like this, so I'm gonna wet this side, and we're gonna see what it does. Do I have my wig brush? Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna have to take it back old school and do the cup and the brush method because that water bottle is no good. And I didn't like the way that smelled, not at all. So I'm just dipping this brush in here. And then I'm gonna do it like this. Scrunch it. Nice curls. And make sure I saturate it and scrunch it. I feel like I'm gonna love these. Make sure y'all can see good. Oh, I can't believe I was spraying it on my hair. It had rice water in there, and my daughter left it out, and it smells like crap. Okay. So, let's give this a second to curl up. Oh my gosh. I am feeling her. Okay guys, so I let it sit for about 2 minutes, and this is what it looks like. I am absolutely in love with this wave pattern. This is so freaking sexy. I can't wait to wear this like on the beach somewhere. Like, I feel like this is so freaking sexy. The lace is giving melt, okay? It's literally giving skin, and I don't have this glue on. And I didn't do it like I would normally do it. So that's what the thing is. Like, I'm like, whoa. So I'm actually about to step it up a notch. Hold on. Really quickly, I'm going to blow dry this section in the front to show you that it does go back straight, you guys. I'm going to blow dry it, and I'm going to flat iron it. So I blow dried this piece right here, and it is dry, so you guys can see. And now I'm just gonna take my flat iron. By the wet hair, and as you can see, it goes right back straight. So I just wanted to do a test to show you guys that it does revert back, and then I'm gonna go in and curl it right back. It goes straight, it goes wavy. Y'all, I am obsessed right now. Okay, so look at that. Straight wave. Let me do a little close up for you. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm going to wet my whole head, and then I'll come back and show you guys my finished product or my finished look, because I'm going to be wearing this hair curly. And I cannot wait. Oh, but look, she does curl right back up. So once this realizes that it's wet and it reverts back up, I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. This is what this unit came out looking like, and I absolutely love it. It's not fully dry yet, but the drier it's getting, the more light it's getting, and I am just obsessed. I want it to be fluffy. So yeah, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Check the link down in the description box for the link to this unit. Use the discount code that is provided to you down in the description box and get you one of these wigs, hunty, because it's easy, it's beginner friendly, it's versatile, and you guys will absolutely love it. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.
Every time I close my eyes, I wake up feeling so horny. I can't get you out of my mind, 'cause sex and you be all I see. I would give any.
Working any nigga, I be running in they pocket.